in the bitter cold winds of the roof of the world, high atop the snowy Himalayan peaks at 4,000 meters, a blaze of crimson blooms against the endless white. This is the blood pheasant, the scarlet spirit of the Himalayas. Adorned with vivid vermilion plumage, streaked with gold, thrives in the harshest alpine wilderness. Dense feathers, shielded from freezing cold, sturdy feet tread through snow and rock. Brilliant hues are a testament to life's resilience against extreme frost. Its presence, a priceless treasure of the mountain ecosystem, a flame of the snowy peaks, a masterpiece forged by nature, a fragile wonder we must cherish and protect.